Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to my supervisor, Encik Muhammad Zamrin, Muhammad Amin, and to my coordinator, coordinator subject TPS 651, Planning Research TPR, Dr. Oliver. Today, I will present about my research study, Sustainable Drainage System (SUDS) in Ipoh City. Now, we go into introduction. Okay, for the introduction, a sustainable drainage system has the ability to reduce the impact of a non-point source of pollution to urban water bodies. SUDS can divert the transport surface water, slow down the runoff before it goes to the watercourse, providing space to stormwater in a nature contour. Now we go to problem statement. For the problem statement, there are 4 problem statements that have come out. First, the drainage system is not well maintained. Second is clogged drainage. Third is not schematic drainage. And the last one, the process of the urbanization. Okay, now we look at the aim. The aim of the study is to look the current state of the drainage system in Ipoh City, and to identify the cause of a problem and the impact on society. In addition, the purpose use of the sustainable drainage system in solve this problem. Now we go to the research objective. There are 4 objectives. First one is to identify the cause of the drainage problem in the study area. Second is to analyze the importance of drainage system in city based on several theories. Third is to identify the implementation of sustainable drainage system (SUDS) to solve the flash flood problem and drainage problem. The last one is to produce several suggestions according to standard. Research scope. There are 3 scopes in this study. First is current condition of the drainage system in Ipoh. Second is policy and recommendation that relate to drainage system. And the last one, suggestion and recommendation to existing drainage system. Now we go to the study area. Study area of the study is located in Ipoh, and there are three locations that have always happen the flash flood, and there are major problem of the drainage system. There are Gugusan Manjoy area, Falem area, and Kampung Sungai Rokam area. Now we go to the data collection. For the data collection, there are 2 main methods. There are questionnaire and observation. For the observation was conducted in order to observe and get the direct experience on the study area and to see the current stage of the drainage system in the study area. And for the questionnaire was conducted by the Google form, and in the questionnaire was divided into 3 sections. First section is to know about the demographic of the respondent. Second, want to know the existing current condition and existing condition of the drainage system. And the last one is to implementation of the SUDS into the study area. For the questionnaire was conducted in a Google form, and the respondent was this method was used because of the pandemic of the COVID-19. This happened in the world now. Now we go to the finding. For the finding, we get from the analysis they have done in the chapter 4, and the finding is the most of the respondents agree the level of the Ipoh city drainage system need to be improved. And besides that, the research proposal to use a sustainable urban drainage system SUDS was strongly agreed by most of respondents to replace the existing drainage system in Ipoh. And the findings have managed to answer the four objectives of this study. Okay, now we go to the conclusion. The conclusion is improvement need to be made to solve the drainage problem in Ipoh city was reduced and solve the problem of the flash flood. The recommendation to use the Sustainable Urban Drainage System SUDS is strongly encouraged to replace the existing drainage system, but the SUDD need to be carefully planned and the selection of the proposed area need to be done carefully so that does not become a backlog project. Okay, that's all from my presentation, and I want to say thank you to my supervisor and to the coordinator that have give a guide to me to finish finish this study, the research study. Thank you.